Good evening, friends. Welcome back to my channel, Infinite Trade. My name is Robin, and let's do a Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. So before we begin the analysis, let's just understand what happened today. So both Nifty and Bank Nifty moved as per expectations. The only thing was the recovery in the second half was something which we did not discuss yesterday, but this is something which is happening on a day-to-day basis these days. So if you look at Nifty and Bank Nifty, both are trading in a tight range, and this range is a problem. Till the time they don't break out or break down from this range, it is going to be tough for people to trade, especially the algo trading. Like after a gap up, the market goes on a consolidation mode, and post 12 o'clock, they give some movement on the downside, and then after 1:30, there is a recovery that is seen. mm, that comes after 1:30, and it goes back to the day high and closes. So that's how both Nifty and Bank Nifty is doing in this range. So let's hope that soon they should give a breakout so that option buyers like us can make some money. So I think today US inflation data is about to come, and I think it's already out there. I saw Nasdaq opening with more than 5.5% gap up, and now it is coming down. And Dow Jones also opened with a gap up. If you look at Nasdaq, so let me show you. So this is where it has opened up. And SGX Nifty is also trading about 250 points higher. So today's expiry, we know that it was completely an expiry day game today because FIs had bearish positions, pros had bearish positions. They had enough time to actually book their positions today, and they did that well. And if you look at on the 15 minutes time frame, if you remember Nifty, we spoke that this trend line was a confluence point, and they broke it with a gap down, and they came down, and we expected a target of around this green candle's low around 17,950. They made a low of 17,969. So pretty much as per expectation, but the market did not give a clean moment to make some hefty money today. Even if you look at Bank Nifty was coming down, but unlike Nifty, but the only thing was it was making too many wicks. Like people like me who enter with a small stop loss of 20 points or 15 points, the SL was taken easily. But even though they came down, and then they show a sharp recovery. Let's quickly look at the data. Surprisingly, they have given the data today earlier. FIs have closed about 4,426 long futures, and surprisingly, they have added about 11,060 future shorts. Okay, so the monthly expiry, we have 2 more weeks, and they have added a good amount of shorts here. So it looks like the entire November month is going to be like a consolidation phase. And options, we really do not have much to talk about because it is all about closing the long positions and the short positions. And this indicates volatility tomorrow. So with the futures that we can understand is FIs have added shorts. So probably if we open with a huge gap up, then there is a possibility that the market may consolidate again and they may change their position or their view. And in cash market also, they did not do much. I think they got about 36 crores. That's it. So let's discuss tomorrow's plan. See, first of all, one thing I would like to tell you all is if market opens with a huge gap up tomorrow, trading a huge gap up or a gap down becomes difficult. But the best way of trading that huge gap up and gap down is the Fibonacci intraday strategy that I have taught people, or I have posted a video on the YouTube. Watch that video, the best possible way to trade that. And also I have uploaded a document in our Telegram channel about the examples of the Fibonacci strategy, how you can trade. If you go through it, I think it will work wonders. So follow them and trade. That will be of a great help. So it is going to be simple. Bank Nifty only bearish below 41,500. Okay. If you remember, yesterday we spoke that it will consolidate here, and then if it breaks down, we can go and add put. And we expected a target of 41,300 to 41,250, but I think it made a low of around 41,320. So it almost came to this particular swing, or this swing we were talking about. It exactly took support there and immediately went up. So bearish trade only below 41,500, and upside trade looks a little confusing here, because we have a gap here, and if we open flat or a slight gap down, we may struggle to go up, and we may consolidate, we may fall back. And if a flat opening, I think most probably market looks sideways until and unless we break 41,800 decisively. Then we can see 42,000 and 42,150. So upside trade seems to be confusing, and if gap up, then I'm going to follow the Fibonacci strategy, which is going to be of a great help to understand the trend at that point of time. So upside trade, the only problem is we have gap and we have FIs adding too many shorts in the index future. So these two things hold back us in going for a call trade. But once 41,800 is taken out, I'll definitely be bullish. Okay. And any gap up, like a significant gap up, if we see the first half, probably it may come back for selling again. And if it doesn't come back down, then it will consolidate and then try to give a breakout on the upside. So keep a watch on that. So this is my plan on Bank Nifty. Let's quickly check out Nifty. Nifty again, if we, so 18,060. This is an important level. If Nifty opens flat and takes this level out, I think we can sit back for a target of 18,160. So 100 points movement is expected in Nifty on the upside, and then it is difficult for it to break. It will consolidate or it may come back down again. Okay, and again Nifty, if it really opens with a 200 points gap, it will be somewhere here above this place. So here Nifty automatically will start consolidating. Whenever it gives a breakdown or a breakout is when we'll go and trade. In both Nifty and Bank Nifty, gap down opening should definitely be opted for a short sell, because it will continue to go to the selling pressure. 41,500 and 18,000 was an important level for this particular expiry, and the best part was this level was kept without any problem for both the Bank Nifty and Nifty. But Bank Nifty had some issues because it went all the way to 320. So definitely some 41,500 put writers exited early, which was visible in the option chain. Only at the end is when it came up. So I hope the view is clear in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Tomorrow most probably gap up, so prefer trading the Fibonacci strategy. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in another video. Till then, take care. Bye.